I think Jeff's major contributions are not just being a member of the team, but being a shining example of how our team integrates with our teachers and our staff and our students.
He's very down to earth, and I look up to him as a dad and a role model. Whenever there's something wrong or I just need advice, I go to him, and he usually has some good advice, which I take to heart.
I believe Jeff's number one contribution is just being present. He rarely calls in sick, and if he ever calls in sick or has to take time off, it's because he's taking care of his kids. He's not just a great employee, he's also a great dad.
You deserve it a lot since you're always there and you're always so hardworking and gentle too.
Jeff, I couldn't be prouder that you are the one receiving this county recognition. You represent Pacific Grove Unified School District so perfectly. You are such a key member in our building and continuing to grow that culture of we, and thank you for everything that you do in serving our students and ensuring their safety, their prosperity, and their belonging. So proud of you, and congratulations.
Congratulations, buddy. You've earned this for your 20 plus years of service and all the work that you've done here at PGUSD. Thank you, Jeff.
Congratulations, and you deserve it.
Congratulations.